Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amex Card budgeting inside American Express app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the American Express app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. From the main dashboard, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the American Express card you wish to configure for budgeting. Once the card details load, scroll down until you find the budgeting option. Tap on Budgeting to open the budgeting settings. You will see various budgeting features available, including categories and spending limits. To create a new budget, tap on the Add Budget button. Choose the specific category you want to budget for, such as dining or travel. Set a monthly spending limit for that category. Review your selections and ensure everything is correct. Tap Save to finalize the budget configuration. You can view your budget progress on the main budgeting page. To edit or delete a budget, simply tap on the budget, make your adjustments and tap Save again to update. Regularly check your budget progress to stay on track. Utilize alerts and notifications to help manage your spending effectively. Explore additional resources and tips within the app to optimize your budgeting experience. Ensure to revisit your budgets periodically to reflect changes in your spending habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.